One of the first things we like to do is put down our cliff mat, and then we're gonna grab our water hose and start doing our hookups. So you'll find the water hose in the exterior compartment in the bag like this, and you can just leave it on the ground like this. Sometimes you'll need more length, sometimes you won't. All right, you just spin the brass fitting down onto the male hose fitting. Get it tight, and then you're going to take the other end and hook it up to the campsite water, and that's the female end that will go on there. And then once you've hooked it up, you can turn it on and just check for any leaks at both the campsite side and the hose side, the RV side. Okay, so here we're going to turn off the breakers, which it looks like they are. Okay, so now we're going to get the electric out. And up here, when you grab it, you unplug it from that outlet that's in there. That's the outlet to the generator. Okay, and then you're just going to plug this into the 30 amp outlet, just like that, and then turn on all your breakers. Oh, on this one, it's just number 1. Okay. Okay, and then once we've hooked up to city water, we don't need the water pump with city water on a full hookup, but we will go ahead and just turn on the water and let it run for a minute, just to get the air out of the lines, because you will get that, and to just get some straight, clear, clean water from the city connection, kind of flush out the hoses and whatnot. All right, and when you arrive at your campsite, you can go ahead and latch the door open. If it is nice weather, you just pull that up, sit it in there, and it is super easy to latch. And then to undo the screen door, you just push down on the lever, and then it comes away, and you can shut the screen door like that, and then push the bug shield over to get air without bugs.